The 10 most powerful construction machines in the world. Have you ever seen the most impressive construction machines in the world? In pursuit of extreme horsepower, 16 electric motors were combined to create a new colossal motor, and a 17-kilometer-long cable was specially crafted to power it. Some machines, designed to speed up coal mining, took 5 years and $100 million to develop. These formidable machines are the foundation of mankind's miraculous engineering feats. Let's embark on this journey of mechanical marvels and be awed by these breathtaking designs. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on the exciting content to come. Welcome to Mechanical Wonders. Top 10. Honghai Gantry Crane. Produced by the world's top enterprise, Shanghai Zhenhua Heavy Industries. The Honghai Gantry Crane is rated as the largest gantry crane in the world, with a maximum height of 148 meters, a width of 120 meters, and a maximum lifting weight of 22,000 tons. As a type of portal crane, it is widely used in many ports to help unload oversized cargo from ships. However, it has another mission: constructing aircraft carriers. Both China's self-built aircraft carriers and the UK's Queen Elizabeth aircraft carrier rely on the Honghai. Building aircraft carriers depends on it has become the crane's slogan. The British call it Goliath, referencing the giant in British legend. With a height of 50 stories and the ability to easily lift 10,000-ton ships, it outdoes any real giant. Top 9. NASA's Giant Crawler Transporter. Built by the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, the Giant Crawler Transporter was designed to transport spacecraft. In the 1960s, this machine began exploring the universe alongside the United States. It transported the famous Apollo spacecraft and many space shuttles. With an empty speed of 3.2 kilometers per hour and a loaded speed of 1.6 kilometers per hour, it is nicknamed the Crawler due to its slow speed. It is 41.2 meters long, 6.1 meters high, 35.2 meters wide, and weighs 2,722 tons. With cargo, its load weight can reach tens of thousands of tons. The crawler's task is simple but daunting. It only needs to transport spacecraft and rockets to the launch pad, but its slowness means that a 10-kilometer journey takes at least 4 hours. The task is also arduous because of the special nature of spacecraft and rockets, allowing no room for error. Therefore, during the crawler's transport, soldiers cover the ground and air, prepared to deal with emergencies with firepower sufficient to destroy a small country. Top 8. Bucyrus-Erie 4250W. Built by Bucyrus-Erie, the 4250 is the largest dragline excavator in the world. Initially constructed for open-pit coal mining, its massive profit potential led to its creation at a cost of $25 million. It stands 66 meters tall, with an empty bucket weight of 209 tons and a maximum digging height of 67.2 meters. It moves using specially made mechanical legs rather than traditional tracks. From its construction until its decommissioning, the Big Muskie excavated 464 million cubic meters, an area equivalent to 60 kilometers long and 15 kilometers wide. If its excavated material were dumped onto a small country, it could bury it. It not only made its builders immensely wealthy, but also gained fame through frequent media appearances. Unfortunately, due to high maintenance costs, it was eventually dismantled. Top 7. XCMG DE400. Produced by XCMG, the DE400 mining dump truck has a load capacity of 400 tons, making it China's largest dump truck. Its tires have a diameter of 4.03 meters and 4 of them weigh 23 tons. The truck is 15.92 meters long, 10 meters wide, and 7.63 meters high, with a compartment capacity of 265 cubic meters. Using the XCMG AC drive system and an MTU engine, it can reach speeds of up to 50 kilometers per hour. Despite being a mechanical monster, it is incredibly agile, capable of navigating various rugged mountain roads without tire blowouts, instead crushing sharp stones. However, it cannot travel on regular roads to prevent collapsing the surface. Under precise control, it takes only 24 seconds to fill the DE400 with cargo and stack it neatly. Its 4,600-liter fuel tank continuously supplies the engine with 3,650 horsepower. Top 6 Slope Conveyor Bridge, SFB RK 1800 5. Produced by Takra, the Slope Conveyor Bridge is a super-large inclined conveyor bridge. It is essentially a vehicle split in the middle, with a bridge placed between the front and rear wheels, making it the world's longest span vehicle. The front and rear tracks span 110.65 meters. The vehicle's total length is 153 meters, height is 16 meters, width is 16 meters, and it weighs 880 tons. With a speed of 359 meters per hour, it's slower than a turtle, but it can transport 6,300 tons per hour, equivalent to 1,000 elephants per hour. It is nicknamed the Colossal Elevator, capable of transporting various heavy items 150 meters away by linking corresponding tools to the bridge's other end. Top 5. Zoomlion ZCC3200NP Crawler Crane. Produced by Zoomlion, the ZCC3200NP crawler crane has a maximum lifting capacity of 3,200 tons and a maximum lifting torque of an astounding 82,000 ton-meters. It was specifically developed for nuclear power plant construction. Using a parallel dual-arm frame and front and rear crawler car design, the ZCC3200NP is the most powerful and advanced crawler crane globally. Its dual world-class titles have irked other leading companies who claim that newer, larger cranes will soon surpass the ZCC3200NP. However, this crane is crucial for nuclear power plant construction, a field with an investment of 500 billion RMB, ensuring it receives the best resources and was built by over 100 top experts. Top 4. FAM A2Rs B15400 Hot 20. Built by FAM, the A2Rs B15400 2020 is the world's top-tier stacking machine, surpassing the Absetzer 760, which dominated the 20th century. The 760 was once an unprecedented marvel in its field, but the FAM A2Rs B15400 20Rs surpassed it with a stacking capacity of 34,000 tons per hour, 3 times that of the 760. Using a conveyor belt for continuous stacking movement and a mobile ladder-like belt to stack material on heaps, the machine's stacking arm is over 120 meters long, 35 meters high, 26 meters wide, and weighs 6,300 tons. The discharge arm is 39 meters long. Due to its size and distant functional areas, at least 10 workers must collaborate to complete a stacking task. Top 3. Marion 6360. Produced by the American Marion Company, the Marion 6360 electric shovel is considered one of the most iconic machines in U.S. shovel history. Named the world's largest electric shovel excavator at its inception, it was dubbed the Super Shovel. Standing 48 meters tall with a 70-meter boom length, it weighs 13,600 tons and has a 138 cubic meter bucket, resembling a small mountain from afar. The bucket can scoop 100 tons of soil at a time and place it 6 basketball courts away using the boom. Powered by 4 motors and 8 tracks, it operated for only 23 years before being scrapped. Marion's Giant Shovel series was discontinued after the company was acquired by a competitor, ending its legendary status. Top 2. Joseph Plateau. Built by Lanaval, the Joseph Plateau is the world's largest pipe-laying vessel. When Spanish shipyards saw the construction plans, they were daunted by its immense size and corresponding workload. However, the promise of huge construction funds led them to guarantee its completion. The Joseph Plateau has a carrying capacity of 31,500 tons, equivalent to the weight of a small island. The vessel is 191.5 meters long, 7.9 meters high, and 18 meters wide, with a pipe-laying depth of 2,000 meters. It features an advanced ROV system at the bottom, making pipe-laying operations very flexible. The ship accommodates 84 crew members, has a 3,300 square meter deck, and a 500-ton main crane capacity, easily holding 20,000 tons of pipes. The crew can work continuously for 7 days, and the 8 engines' combined power of 620,000 horsepower ensures it handles all sea conditions effortlessly. Top 1. MAN Takra RB293. The MAN Takra RB293 is a colossal bucket wheel excavator designed and manufactured by Germany's MAN Takra. With a construction cost of $100 million and a build time of 5.5 years, it requires at least 5 operators and has long held the title of the largest mobile machine on land. It is 96 meters long, 50 meters high, and weighs 13,600 tons. The bucket wheel has a diameter of 50 meters, and its massive rotating buckets can boost excavation efficiency to 240,000 tons per hour with a digging depth of 15 meters. In just 3 minutes, it can easily excavate an area the size of a football field. To provide the RB293 with more power, it is equipped with a giant motor composed of 16 electric motors with a total power of 17,000 kilowatts. A 17-kilometer-long cable was created to supply power to these 16 motors. In practical applications, the RB293 can mine 8,000 tons of coal daily, equivalent to the weekly workload of over 10,000 workers. That's all for today's top machines. If you have any comments or suggestions for other machines you'd like to see, please leave a message in the comments section. If you enjoyed this channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.